Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Maya to the people. We're on the road and we're trying to say hello, Maya. We're trying to do some shopping because in a couple of weeks, we'll be on vacation and we're trying to do the last minute shopping. Maya, ici là, on va partir par là. We're trying to do some last minute shopping before our vacation. So come along with us, guys. We already did some of the shopping a few weeks ago, so now we're doing the second part of the shopping, and we decided to take you guys along with us. But it's only me and Maya alone today. You like that one? Now so me carry more option there, look. You like that? Alright, try on that one. Put the photo on. Let's go play it.
Je sais pas, je les
Try
aime.
it on.
Je les aime tous.
But let me see. Put on your phone. Yeah, but this one looks a bit too close. But this one looks super nice. Just one page of nails and.
Elle est un peu trop. Elle est un petit peu trop.
Now we put as number 4. I mean, I want to buy a bunch of expensive slippers since they only last just 3 months. During the month of summer, and then every 3 months you have to buy new things to them. But don't put around, I see it now. No close it now, just put the foot around. No close it. Stand up. This too nice. Which one do you prefer?
J'hésite en.
This one looks classy and cute. Look at the one now.
Je préfère pas une des deux, moi je les aime bien.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one I prefer? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're the one we prefer, okay?
Mamie.
You like this?
Yeah. Minano. Mais aide-moi. Viens m'aider. J'essaye d'arrêter la vidéo.
Okay. Okay, c'est bon.
Oui, mais.
going to take Maya to the park. You want to go to the park, Maya? Yeah? Alright, so me and Maya go to the park. All this is for tonight. Ghost rider. Nag-game na niya. Ghost rider. Yeah, but you already do this. You already do this some time ago with Charm. You can't do it again right now. You have to steal the money for when I go on vacation. Alright? You have to steal the money for when I go on vacation? You steal the money when I go on vacation? On va prendre les vacances. Il faut garder tes sous. Alright. We finally here at the park. If I go to the bus stop, go look what time the next bus will come. And then I'll be taking Maya to the park. Maya? But this park, when Jeremiah and Maya was a baby, every day we used to come to this park every day. As Alex left school, to this park. Maya has to change the swing song, but it's too hot. Maya can't go party, too hot. Come, we'll go try the plane. You want to try the airplane? The toboggan? Okay, we'll try the airplane. Go on. Man, I want to make sure people. The throat start scratch me. Where is Maya? Maya disappear. Ah? It's too hot? Yeah. You remember coming to this park, même? Tu te souviens d'ici ou pas? Tu te souviens de cette parc là? Est-ce que tu te souviens de cette parc? Oui ou non? Oui? Oh là là! Tu m'as fait peur! Ça va?
Oui, ça va, même si j'ai quitté l'école, ça va. Et je vais y aller à l'école Jean-Bernard.
À Jean-Bernard?
Oui.
Ah, au collège là-bas?
Non.
Oui, mais dans CM2, non?
Oui. Et c'est passé en CM2.
Oui, mais Jean-Bernard, c'est en haut.
Non, à l'école Saint-Bernard là-bas, la nouvelle école.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Ouais, il y a celle-là. Aïe!
Fais attention.
Ça va, frère?
Bring back so many memories. Come try this one, Maya. This one right here, so. Come try this one.
Ça tourne dans tous les sens.
Sit down.
Non, merci.
No?
Ça fait hyper.
For sure? Okay, see the boy come off now, Maya. Come. 3 o'clock, come. The father tell me that he might get up and brush his teeth and come to it right now. I let you go, 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 Maya, go. Turn. Let me help you? Woo! You look so big now. Last time that I pack about what? 5-year-old? Come now, I'm ready. Come here, let me meet your daddy. Look at me. Turn round. Turn when I look at them, Naya. Stop now, let me take a picture of you. Look at me now. We're going to call Matthew now. Matthew will come pick you up so we can go to the supermarket. Alright, I'll pick you up when we get there. I'm sorry guys, but this is the next day. I was so tired yesterday. I forgot to end the vlog. So I'm just coming on here right now to end yesterday's vlog. So hope you guys remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you haven't, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks for watching, guys, and please remember to follow us on TikTok and on Instagram, 1876moy and moy&matt on TikTok. Bye.